What is the Singaporean lifestyle?
You throw so hard, meh?
Sorry.
But you know the 5 C's, right? Car, condo, country club, cash, and credit card. But are they still really relevant today?
And what about adulting? Getting a job, having a house, getting married and having children. These are important aspects of growing up.
Eh, why you look at me like that? Oh, you all purposely one, right? Tao yeah! And not forgetting the financial consideration that comes with all of that too.
Oh, why got people throw baby one?
Did you know that the cost of raising a child in Singapore costs between 280,000 and 560,000?
Where to find all the money?
Insurance.
Investing.
Influencer. What? Insurance, investing, influencer also start with I and what?
If you are looking for a YouTube channel that can get you up to speed with everything that we have mentioned, subscribe and stay tuned for more awesome content.